Welcome to this Red5 open source media server tutorial video on creating a free RTMP server. We will guide you through the step-by-step process on how to set it up yourself. Open your terminal and check the installed Java version. As of February 2026, Java 21 is the current version, which is correct. Make sure you have the latest version installed. Ensure Maven is installed and available on your system path. Both tools are required to build Red5 from source. Navigate to the directory where you want the project to reside. Run the git clone command for the Red5 open source repository. After cloning completes, enter the newly created project directory. From the root of the project, run the maven build command to create the distributable assembly. Maven will download required dependencies and plugins if they are not already available. When the build completes successfully, the compiled artifacts will be generated inside the target directory. Open the target directory. Navigate into the server module where the distribution package is created. Identify the generated archive file. Extract this archive to a directory where you want to run the server. After extraction, you will see directories such as conf for configuration files, plugins for extensions, web apps for deployed applications, and the main server and service jar files. This directory represents your running Red5 server environment. Inside the extracted server directory, run the appropriate startup script for your operating system. Once executed, the server will initialize and begin listening for RTMP connections. Monitor the console output to confirm that the server starts successfully. Open OBS Studio. In the Settings panel, navigate to the Stream section. Select Custom as the streaming service. Set the server URL to your local Red5 RTMP endpoint, typically RTMP://localhost/live. Enter a stream key, for example, test stream. Apply and save the settings. In OBS, select a media source such as a video file or display capture. Click Start Streaming. OBS will push the RTMP stream to your local Red5 server. Open VLC Media Player. Enter the network stream URL that matches your RTMP endpoint and stream key. For example, RTMP://localhost/live/test stream. Start playback to confirm that the stream is being delivered correctly. You can also test playback using FFmpeg or FFplay from the terminal by connecting to the same RTMP stream URL. This provides additional confirmation that the stream is accessible and functioning as expected. You have now successfully built and deployed a free RTMP server using Red5 open source and verified live streaming from OBS to your local environment. We hope this tutorial has been helpful. Happy streaming!